1 Minute Japanese Lesson 3. Hello and welcome again to 1 Minute Japanese, where you can learn Japanese 1 minute at a time with me, Mark.
And me, Yoshiko.
We're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you understand some Japanese. My guess is that everyone you speak to will be very impressed with your skills. And remember, a little language goes a long way.
The clock is ticking, so let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for Japanese in Japanese is...
nihongo,
Let's repeat that.
nihongo.
Now, it's important that you know this word well for this lesson because we'll be using it quite a bit. Try saying it again.
Nihongo,
To say that you understand Japanese, you would say,
私は日本語がわかります。
Listen again.
私は日本語がわかります。
One more time.
私は日本語がわかります。
We're going to add to this a little. Perhaps it's safer to say, I understand a little Japanese. In Japanese, the way to say a little in this situation would be,
ちょっと、
so putting this together with,
私は日本語がわかります。
you would say,
私は日本語がちょっとわかります。
listen to this again, it's quite tricky.
私は日本語がちょっとわかります。
Excellent, try it one more time.
私は日本語がちょっとわかります。 Time's up.
We are sure that the new phrases that you've learned today will go down well with any Japanese-speaking friends or business colleagues you meet. Today we learned a little. If you'd like a little more from 1 Minute Japanese, you can purchase the premium version of this course, which includes an enhanced podcast version and a PDF lesson guide to help you learn a little more Japanese. That's all for today.
ありがとう。そしてさようなら。
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.